Oh man, this Hex 3D print just finished. The prime tower knocked over. Apparently I had to pull it out of there. I'll be plucking some filament off the side there too. But that's not why I'm taking this video. What's cool is I ended up using PETG for support interface for the first time ever. So I'm gonna try to pull it off the plate right now. I had some stringing from the prime tower apparently. So it just finished a minute ago, so it's fresh on the plate. Oh yeah, look at that. I have to be careful with that. Do some post on that. But this right there, this should just peel off. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Perfect. It's not really focusing. Nice. Oh, look at that. Look at the pink. They use pink PETG. Sorry about the noise. I got my Mandalorian helmet going on the K1 Max right now. Look at that. Oh, the support's just peeling off. I had to use strong supports to get it to hold. Oh, I love that. See, I got to be careful with this though because I got fingers and everything in there, but yeah, this is the first time I ever used PETG for support interface because I've never had a multicolor printer to do so. It took a lot longer to do it, but I think it's worth it to get perfect overhangs and all that without all the scarring. But as you can see, my prime tower kind of screwed me on that. Probably because there's so much PETG mixed in the prime tower. And it just eventually, since it got so tall, because it printed it all the way to the top. So it just got so tall it couldn't hold up. But anyway, it's an amazing print. I should be able to clean all that up, make it look really nice. I'll try to put some photos on later. Alright, see you guys.